So we realized this morning that we did not have a video of probably one of the most rare vehicles we have ever had in our inventory. We say that quite often, but every time we seem to find something that takes the cake. This is a 1990 300 GD G-Wagon. Have a lot of documentation on this vehicle, and from what I remember reading through it, this was the first year and this body style ran till like 2016. I can say we have never had a G-Wagon, but the most impressive thing about this is it's a 1990, making it 30 years old, and it looks as good as it does. It still registers kilometers, which are 90,000, and I think if you do the math, that makes it something like 50-some thousand miles. But to top it all off, this truck is a diesel. To make it even more rare, it's a manual. So you've got a G-Wagon, which is rare enough as it is to be this nice. And then to top it off, you have a diesel, imported, manual shift, and it's not a rust bucket at all. The particular customer we got this from dealt with all of the importation, and we've gotten lots of vehicles from him in the past. When he gets a vehicle, he also buys an abundance of spare parts because he likes unusual stuff. So in this case, the whole back of the truck is full of things, such as a chrome brush bar, extra filters, extra gaskets, anything you can imagine he's ordered. Another type hitch for the back, the ladder that some of these had on the back. On top of that, he sent it to an automotive enthusiast that is familiar with Mercedes in this fashion, and spent, we've got the receipt on file, but I think it was either $10,000 or $12,000 having struts replaced, brakes replaced, full services done. You name it, he did it. So when we got the vehicle in our possession, it was very, very nice in mechanical and cosmetic levels. We also have a replacement dash odometer that is a mile-per-hour odometer. We have a ton of manuals and paperwork. Again, everything you just saw in the back as far as extra items go. Hopefully this video will show some of the cleanliness and quality of this vehicle. There's one little paint imperfection back here. I don't know if you can see it where the paint is kind of split a little bit. But other than that, I couldn't pick up on any faults. Truck runs good. Shifts good. And from what we were told, this style motor is basically like a 1,000,000-mile motor. It's a non-emissions motor. If I can figure out how to open the hood here, I'll show it to you.